really we have one goal: keep it interesting. So I do have this theory about the predicting the future, which is that the most interesting outcome is the most likely, which, if simulation theory is accurate, makes sense, because if anyone is simulating a wide range of futures, they're going to stop the simulation when it gets boring. Because this is what we do in our reality. So if SpaceX is doing, or Tesla doing simulations to understand how a car would work, or robot, or spaceship, or something like that, we'd run all these simulations in the computer. And the simulations that we pay attention to are the ones that are the most interesting. Like the simulation where everything goes right on the rocket, we actually don't pay attention to, because that's not the everything goes right simulation is fine. So we actually test when we simulate the rocket flight, we'll actually test all sorts of oddball situations. But we don't test it, we don't have the simulation be totally wrong, because, I mean, like if the rocket just explodes immediately, that's also not interesting. So it's like you need to find the envelope of possible flight paths where the rocket can make it to orbit and without exploding, and then you find those boundaries, and then when you launch the actual rocket, you make sure it stays within those boundaries. Or another way to think of it is like we could be an alien Netflix series, and that series is only going to get continued if our ratings are good.
Are the ratings good?
Yeah, but you can think of it like from a Darwinian standpoint. If you apply Darwin to simulation theory, then only the most interesting simulations will continue. Therefore, the most interesting outcome is the most likely, because it's either that or annihilation. So really, we have one goal: keep it interesting.